So friends, talking about not very well known qualities of the nakshatra. So here we will talk about the Chitra nakshatra. So the common perception around the Chitra nakshatra is that the influence of the Chitra can actually make you a very good fashion designer. It can make you a very good Vastu expert. It can make you a very successful architect as well. But guys, over here you have to pay attention that in astrological analysis, joints are not considered as good. Like for example, someone born in the Gandant is not considered as good. Someone born on the Ashtami Tithi is not considered as very harmonious. Same is the way. If you will pay attention, Chitra Nakshatra falls in the joint of the whole zodiac belt from 23 degree 20 minutes of Virgo till 6 degree 40 minutes of the Libra. So because of being residing in the joint, it carries the conflicting qualities. Now over here I'm not talking about the duality which can come to the Purvabhadrapada or the Vishakha Nakshatra natives. Here I'm talking about that sometimes the concerns of the homosexuality has also been seen with the Chitra. Or like for example, if you are a Virgo Chitra, so even in a male you will find predominantly feminine qualities. Or if you have Chitra in the Libra, so the marital life will be filled with difficulties. Like these people will be very inclined towards doing the business, but because of their laziness they face losses in the business. So the takeaway of this discussion is that the joints in the astrological analysis is always attached with difficulty, with the difficult karma. This could be in the Tithi, this could be in the Gandant Nakshatra, or this could be the irony which the Chitra people have to face.